wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm a shut selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's a boy Jambisco back in the music club. But banger, you know, guys. I don't know where they with. Yo, Dan Mafia, I see where I deal with. Yeah, man, it's been a minute since we have dog pan here, Mr. You don't know me I talk about Mr. AI Millie back on the track, you know what I'm saying? I said that's what Joker said, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. It's been a minute since we have AI Millie back on that we reacted to AI Millie, and this one we reacted entitled Tump or Loud. You see me? Chat this one like about a month now, a couple weeks now. You see me? I don't even realize that, so I check out. Yeah, Millie have been dropping most videos, but you see me, but it dropped like 2 recent videos. This is one of them, and we're gonna check them out. And you see me, I'm gonna check out another one in the future now. I'll drop those videos as well. But yeah, man, I'm back in the video with Miss AI Millie himself, man. You know what I'm saying? You see me? Also, guys, let's try to check out some interviews and things from artists, them, you know. So let me know from the reaction there. You see me? Also, guys, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button. Help your boy out, man. Help the channel grow, man. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Help your boy out, man. I'm tuning, man. Do the right thing, guys. You know what I'm saying? Code, man. Yeah, man. Code is life. You see me? And also, guys, follow your boy on our social medias. Is linked downstairs in the description. Follow me on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram. You don't know your boy be live on TikTok doing battles and shit. You can talk to your boy live, all that stuff. We can do battles together. So come join the boy on TikTok, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it, you know what I'm saying? And hit like the video, subscribe. We're on the road to 10K, man. Stop playing, you know what I'm saying? Join the latest gang on YouTube, man. Come on. Yeah, man. Until we get, like I say, guys, we got AI Millie back with another one named Tump. We'll check it out and see what the dog I deal with. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing all of the vibes. I'm trying to jump right down the trap. Let's get it.
Drop it them.
Yo, drop it them.
Hey, what?
Mad.
A girl like video be a girl like video, that's already a good sign, you know. I look good too, easy, you know.
Speaker get Tump up, pillow Cherika get no fuck. While tonight my life will get a fucked up. Get a fat girl and turn and I'm up chuck.
Right, and I get Tump up, pop pills, right, get what? Alright, come in.
I make it shake like 80. Out of space, make a fucking nice spaceship. Do my lifestyle out there. From shell I send the docs, my copy and paste it. Out tonight, we meet up with them. You can't get a fuck and get a fuck again.
Out tonight, we meet up with them. You can't get a fuck.
Oh, put a pan alone, cause there's a feeling. But in your throat, son of a vent. Make your inline book speaker. She no want fuck, me no fuck her either. 220 on the toe like me. Wanna stop the police, yeah, I hear that. Pillow Cherika get no fuck.
Easy no man, speaker get Tump up. Pillow, where get. Only here, right?
While tonight my life will get you fucked up. Get a fat girl and turn and I'm up chuck. I make it shake like 80. Out of space, make a fucking nice spaceship. Do my lifestyle out there. From shell I send the docs, my copy and paste it. Go zero.
Nice spaceship, mama. I'm tear. You see me in a spaceship. How you think? I spaceship is easy, no man. Yeah, man, that is a vibe, bro. Emily, I do you know, doing thing for the girl, you know what I'm saying? And it's a vibe song, you know what I'm saying?
I be here right for my rise from my top, make she come from the ghetto on a fucking apartment. She fuck cool about the chopper, make it hot. Make me alright, be a hit song in the morning. A sense less than the chopper, do it barely.
My inspire, I be a hit song in the morning. Mama say you all good at what go on, eh?
A sense less than the chopper, do it barely. Why you dream about the girl, I do it often. Speak up, Tump up. Pillow Cherika get no fuck. While tonight my life will get you fucked up. Get a fat girl and turn and I'm up chuck. I make it shake like 80. Out of space, make a fucking nice spaceship.
I want to you, man say come like, what? Make it shake like 80. Hello tonight, make a nice spaceship.
Oh, my lifestyle out there. From shell I send the docs, my copy and paste it.
Hey.
Out tonight, we meet up with them. You can't get a fuck and get a fuck again. More put up on alone, cause this a feeling. What in your
put up on alone, cause this a feeling. I want to you like easy.
What's on about a vent? Make your inline book speaker. She no want fuck, me no fuck her either. 220 on the toe like knees.
Oh yeah, top. If she don't want to rate it, me don't want to rate it neither. You see me? She don't want me don't forget who you. I owe you. Move up.
The police, yeah, I get dump up. Pillow cherry, can get no fuck. While tonight my life will get you fucked up. Get a fat girl and turn and I'm muck chuck. I make it shake like 80. Out of space, make a fucking nice spaceship. To my lifestyle, Lord, yeah, yeah. Fresh, I send the ducks, man.
My lifestyle, Lord, yeah, here. You see me find down the street. Couple miles up. Coming
I copy and paste it. Man. Yo, choppy them. Rat butt. Rat butt in your true.
Easy no man. Easy no man. Easy no man. Yeah man, that's why you email me, man. I'm saying I chop it myself, man. You see me and I say, yeah man, code man. Well, yeah man, the one named Tump Up by Emily, the one you go on, man. You see me, and there's a vibe tune. You see me, I thought it was gonna be more something different, but yeah man, Lord, yeah man. Dog doing thing, man. There was a vibe tune. If that tune, which I heard earlier in the summer, you know what I'm saying, but I can see it grow, man. I'll party that we definitely mother party. You know what I'm saying? Dog doing thing. So shout out to Emily, the one named Tump Up guys. I don't think about it one day. You see me and say, the only thing about the drop in the comment section. You see me, what was your favorite part? Beat, medal lyrics. You see me, Emily always doing my thing, you know, dog. Vibe always have a, like him say, you see me in music have a trap feel, you know what I'm saying? Like a rapping type thing. You see me and say that thing mad, man. Emily keep doing your thing, dog. Keep shooting free stars, all them things there. You see me, keep dropping more videos and more bangers, dog, and we gonna keep reacting to it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah man guys, so me know things like comment section, your favorite part, beats, lyrics, melody, whatever it is, drop in the comment section, you know what I'm saying? Let's chop it up guys, and definitely go show the artists on love and support, making us a Jambisco and senior. You see me, you don't know guys, and then hit like and subscribe and do the right thing, help your boy grow, man. Joe, we get you on the road to 10k. That's when we're coming to take over this thing, you know what I'm saying? So yeah man, go drop in the comments and hit like and subscribe button guys, and you don't know that mafia, appreciate y'all. We're going strong over here. You see me, remember we're trying to hit 3k before the month 10. You see me I say, so I come video them. You see me, thumbs up. I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? Till next time, your boy Jambisco is here and I hit another song. Oh, also follow me on all socials. Like I said, follow me on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram. You know what I'm saying? Link in the description. You know what I'm saying? If you want to donate to the channel, all that stuff is in the description. You don't know. It's your boy Jambisco here and I hit another smash. Bang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.